Trekking poles look dorky, but they reduce compressive force on your knees by up to 25%. That adds up to tons of weight spared on a long hike. Think of poles as converting you into a four-wheel drive vehicle. You redistribute pack weight through your arms and shoulders, saving your leg muscles for the long haul. The first choice is material, aluminum versus carbon. Aluminum is the workhorse. It bends under stress, but can be bent back. Carbon fiber is lighter and stiffer, but when it fails, it snaps instantly. Avoid twist locks unless you enjoy stopping every mile to fix them. Lever locks, often called flip locks, are far more reliable, easier to adjust with gloves on, and won't slowly collapse under your weight. Sizing is critical. On flat ground, your elbows should form a perfect 90-degree angle. If your hands are higher than your elbows, you're wasting energy. Too low, and you lose leverage. However, don't set them and forget them. You must adjust length based on the terrain to maintain your center of gravity. The motion must be natural. Right foot, left pole. If you synchronize the same side, you'll waddle. Keep your grip loose. Let the wrist strap take the weight, not your fingers. There is a time to put them away. During Class 3 scrambles or traversing narrow ridges where you need handholds on rock, poles become a liability. If you need hands for balance, strap the poles to your pack. Expect the first few miles to feel awkward as you find your rhythm. But once you master the four-point contact, you'll find you can hike further with less fatigue. They aren't a gimmick. They are an energy management system. Master the rhythm, save your knees, and hike longer.